This just smells so good. Or justsmellsogood.com. Let me show you what we're doing here. Now that's 24 air fresheners, right? 24 air fresheners. That's $120. You know, if you want to start a business today with justsmellsogood.com, and you want to learn how to sell a small product just like this, retail some of them $10, some stores, $5 in other stores, but you can make cash flow each and every day. Now that small amount don't seem like a lot, right? $120 worth makes it possible. Now starting your business for $250. Start your business for $250. Get it started today. And while you're doing that, buy business hustle on it so you can know how to market and networking with your business. Because $120 in today's economy can go a long way. This is Roosevelt Davis of RooseveltDavis.com. This is BHO Innovations. This is justsmellsogood.com. House of the 2 sprays, 2 days air freshener.